All right, turning to the forecast now. It's been a very sunny and warm day out there.
But we are looking at storm chances as we head through the overnight hours. Meteorologist Scott Larson here now with the latest on what we can expect. Scott.
Brian and Sue, we've been treated to some really nice weather on this Monday. Some comfortable conditions as temperatures have lifted into the upper 70s and lower 80s. But we are tracking that opportunity at some overnight thunderstorms to move into West Michigan. Here's how things look in Holland right now. Mostly sunny skies and pretty nice conditions there. Let's check out temperatures across the region. You can see that those have risen into the upper 70s and lower 80s for most. You can see a couple numbers that stand out, though. 90s in Iowa. That's where they have some heat advisories, excessive heat warnings in the wake of flooding out west. 66 in Duluth, 80 degrees Wausau, currently 80 degrees in Traverse City. As you're looking closer toward West Michigan now, our temperature is 82 in Hastings, 80 in Big Rapids. It's also 80 degrees in Holland and South Haven. The wind is under control out there. We have that dialed up at less than 10 miles per hour for nearly the entirety of the map. The one exception, Big Rapids at 11. Currently 6-mile-per-hour wind speeds noticed in Hastings and Grand Rapids. So if you have plans this evening, looks like things should be in good shape out there. If you want to attend a baseball game, maybe just take a walk around the neighborhood, should be very comfortable as temperatures look to fall from around 80 degrees into the 70s, continuing through this evening under those mostly sunny skies. We will gradually watch as some more cloud cover streams in from northwest to southeast. That's in association with our next disturbance, as you can see some thunderstorms beginning to gather through parts of Minnesota and into Wisconsin. Here's how things look on Futurecast as we go through time tonight. You can see that explosion of storms across northern Wisconsin, pausing the clock there at 2 a.m. That is what is going to be coming our way through the early morning hours of Tuesday. There's a look at 6 a.m. You can see that those storms take their dive across Lake Michigan, arriving toward Big Rapids and points along the lakeshore there, Muskegon, further north near Ludington. That's at 6 a.m. Should see the arrival of those in Grand Rapids sometime around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. And it looks like those are going to be fairly strong. Some heavy downpours, maybe some small hail, wind gusts measuring up to between about 40 and 60 miles per hour as those storms tear in again from northwest to southeast. Could see a secondary line come together here, at least that's what this forecast model is buying into as we approach 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then near midday, it looks like those will be carried away to the south. We'll have a period of some quieter weather tomorrow afternoon, but we could see some more thunderstorms flare up, as you can see toward Chicago here as we get into tomorrow evening. As you approach Interstate 94, that appears to be where there would be the best chance of having any sort of redevelopment happening here across West Michigan. So tonight there is that chance of seeing severe weather, especially west of US 131. Tomorrow the focal point shifting south. Tonight a low temperature of 64, partly cloudy skies. Thunderstorms entering late. We'll have that line of early morning storms and then some more isolated activity tomorrow with a high temperature near 90. Let's check out the 8-day forecast. High temperatures do look to slip into the upper 70s and lower 80s in a more comfortable pattern through the remainder of the week. Brian and Sue.